And here you are, the video is ready to be published. Hello, my name is Tony from Lazy Cats Mockups, and today I'm going to show you how to edit and add your own design with Photoshop to this video mockup that you can find in our Etsy store. If you want to use Canva, then click on the icon above to see the other video mockup tutorial that I made especially for Canva. As you know, Etsy buyers love these little videos where you can see the designs. And most important, it improves your ranking on Etsy. Here, only the pampas on the right are moving. Sometimes on other video mockups that I made, the sleeves are moving a little bit, but the garment stays still. I really want the buyer to stay focused on your design and on the garment. For me, this is the most important. Also note that when you buy this video mockup, you will get the jpeg mockup for free. Just add your design on the top and boom, it's done. The design area is this square right here. But if your design is smaller, it's not a problem. You just use a smaller part. A print-on-demand company like Printful requests a size of 14 by 14 inches square for the front, which is what you see in this mockup. I'm working with Adobe Creative, and as you can see, I have downloaded the newest version of Photoshop, but also the older one of 2021, the version 22.0. This is the version you need to use. Because, for example, with the MY processor, the newest version of Photoshop, you won't be able to edit the video mockup. But with the older one, it works very easily. So use the older version and everything will be fine. Maybe in a couple of months, the newest version will be able to edit it. But for now, we are using Photoshop 2021. So I have here the PSD file of the video mockup, and I'm dragging it to Photoshop to open it. As you can see, I'm using a French version of Photoshop, but don't worry, I will show you exactly how to edit and where to click. So first, I need to open the timeline. So I'm going to the window section, then down to timeline. You can see that the video is 15 seconds long, which is what Etsy allows, and there's no sound or music. But if you want to add one, you can. But on Etsy, there won't be any sound. Let me zoom in so you can see the little wavy part of the bottom of this design square. And this will give a more natural look to your design, which match the garment. Now I open the layers section and inside image. This is where you will edit and add your design. Double click on the white rectangle on the left. This is the dynamic object layer. Another window will open. So here, you will just add your design, just drag and drop it above. In this first example, the design is a square photo, but a little bit later, I will show you how to use a PNG file text. The idea is to adjust the design so it will match exactly how it looks like at the end when the buyer receives the garment. Now I delete the gray layer, save the document, and close the window. Now you see how the design looks on the hoodie. And when I zoom in, you can see the little wavy part that match the garment as I told you before. If the design looks too big, just double click again on the dynamic object layer and reduce, position it as you want, and save again and close the window. Boom! Here is the final look of the hoodie. Now let's hit play to see how it looks like. So you see, just the pampas are moving. Now to download the video, just hit the 4 little lines here on the right side and click Render Video. Change the name of the video and select where you want to save it. I'm selecting the same folder and then hit Render. It will take only a couple of minutes, depending on your computer. Now that it's done, double check that it looks as you want, and here you are, the video is ready to be published. Let's change the design for PNG quote so you can see another kind of design. I double click on the dynamic layer, the little white rectangle on the left. The new window opens, and I'm dragging the design that are already prepared on top. I move it as I want, and then I delete the older design. Now I save and close this window. Look, here it is. But I want the letters to be a little bit higher. So I go back to my design layer, move it a little, save and close again. Now it's okay for me. I hit play so I can take a look at the video. If I'm happy, then click on the little lines here on the right, and I do the same. I changed the name. You can see the location is already okay for me. And now I hit render. Couple of minutes, and voila, the video is ready. So you see, it's super easy to edit your design with this mockup. You can take a look at our channel for more tutorials and on our Etsy store for all the different colors available. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you found it useful, and see you soon for another tutorial.